Mihango ya rucini irokire kurugama tauni-ini ya Naikuru thutha wa arutwo aya a thukuru wa guthomithia mathomo ma urigitani guitika barabara-ini mururungano-ini nginyagia wabici cia gavana wa Naikuru. Kurigana na arutwo aya matiwe mwako ucio urakwo nu undu uria marekuwa waya gukorwo uri mwako wa mundu kiumbe.
The land of MTC have been grabbed without following any legal process. We are just seeing uncoordinated and projects that are going on there, and when we try to inquire, we have been told that even the governor is aware.
Thutha wa kuhura kambi kwa ihinda ria mathaa meri nja wabici ya gavana, munini wa gavana wa Naikuru aumira kumariria akimerera mateta mao ni mararumbuiyo.
I'm very impressed with the level of discipline that you have. I want to commend that because you are people who are disciplined and you came here very disciplined. And I want to urge you to do the same. Even as you go back, we want you to go back in a very peaceful manner.
Ona thengia ya kuganwo ni mitugo yao miega hindi ya mururungano ucio ni munini wa gavana, arutwo aya mambikire thabari nginyagia haria waki ucio utanyitwo kwambiriria na kwanjia kumomora rugiri rwa mabati ruria rwakitwo. Aruti a wira mwako-ini uyu matiuma na munyaka thutha wa kuhamurithio na mahiga guku arutwo magithana na mabati na mbao.
That land is the same field. I want my son to reveal his talent. 10 years to come, 20 years to come. That is the only field left for MTC.
Minister wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti ya Naikuru Dagitari Gicoki Kariuki ni akomithirie mururungano ucio akiuga arutwo ni gucogerwo macogeretwo.
The national government has already tendered and a contractor is on site. So when this contractor came, we showed him the site and he fenced it so that he can start the project. And we are aware that the students from there have been incited that that place belongs to them.
Gicoki augite gicunji kia mugunda kiria arutwo ya marateta kiri thibitari-ini ya Nakuru level 5 na uria ni mugunda wa thirikari oro hamwe na thukuru uyu na mwako ucio urakwo ni thirikari nene na thirikari ya kaunti ukihuthira ciringi nuthu bilioni. Handũ-inĩ ha KMTC kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, ritwa rĩakwo nĩ wa ng'ombe wa Maina.